What a great plan it was. I went to the seminar 2 months ago. It was how to handle your emotions well. And when I came out of it, I thought I was a changed man, completely enlightened, completely let go of all my emotions, all the baggages of my past. I was ready to take on the world, all the mean, all the rude people, and I was waiting for them for first moment to insult me, and I will look at them and smile and say, "Hey, it's all right, bud. I understand what you are going through. You are in pain, you know." That's how people act when they are in pain, when they are suffering. So I'm not mad at you, but I understand you. I understand your pain, and I hope that you feel better. And remember, love runs deep. And I was waiting to find one person who will insult me, who will humiliate me, but I didn't find anybody. And then I was thinking, what I'm gonna do. I already have a 9 to 5 job, and I went to it. I went right back into it thinking this is me 2.0, and I was excited. I could not even sleep, uh, you know I came from the seminar, and whole night up to the morning I kept thinking about it. How everybody in my office is gonna be excited, when they will see the new me, a new way of doing things and all other shit, that kept me turning back and forth and thinking about it. I could not even sleep. Then I went to office. It was the same hard day. Boss looked at me. He did not give a shit about whether I was new me, I was old me. He spoke about the last week target which I did not complete it, and said, if you ain't gonna complete your target this week, I'm going to hold off your salary. And I was really mad at him. Well, I controlled myself thinking that this is not the old me, this is new me. I'm 2.0. I can't get mad at him. So I went back to work. My colleague saw me, and I told her, I'm not the same person anymore. Can you see the difference? Yeah, then she responded to me, okay, I'll see who you are by the end of the weekend. I went to my home. I was really discouraged after that, and thinking that 9 to 5 is ain't gonna work for me. I'll have to do something better with my life. I'll have to offer my gifts to the world, the gifts which I don't know, the gifts which I don't know how to get out of me, and what that would be. Like, suppose that I do something thinking that I'm gonna share my gift with the world, and that gift does not turn out to be good, that the gift that people are not gonna like me, that gift could be a whole lot of pain and suffering for me. But still, so I thought I'll share my thoughts. I'll create a YouTube channel. And that day was wonderful when that thought come to me to start a YouTube channel. I was thinking about all kind of things. Me uploading my first video, people going crazy over it, and thinking, oh, what a guy, how funny, what insights. So enlightened. And once I was done uploading my videos, and the next day I woke up and tried to see how many views and comment I get, and I saw that comment and was really excited. There was only one comment, and it was, अबे हिंदी में ही बोल, इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. It meant, ओए, hey, please speak in Hindi. I know you know English very well. And I was initially it did not feel anything, but later I was fuming at the guy. Not because he said that thing, because he said that thing and I could not even find him. I could not even see his face and say all kind of mean and offending thing to him. Because this was not only enlightened me 2.0, meaner me 2.0 as well. The the meanness inside of me before attending the seminar got doubled, as the positive thing inside of me got double too. And the another thing which made me really furious was knowing the fact that even though he kind of trolled me, but I could not troll him back because that would mean that I'm not humble and I don't have respect for the freedom of speech, freedom of people. So that's why I thought it would be better that I do 9 to 5 well and earn the employee of the month.